In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix secondary verification in Binance. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your web browser and go to Binance.com. So you want to sign up for an account or just log in with your current account. So from here, we just want to go to our homepage. So as you can see, this is our homepage. From here, we want to click on our account and just select security. So if you're having problems to log in or to send your crypto because of the secondary verification, what you want to do is to just disable all of your secondary security, just like your authenticator app or your passkeys or your phone number. In my case, it's already disabled. So if in your case it's enabled, you want to disable them and just enable them again. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.